Okay, so question 48. It says, look at the function g of x equals 9x squared minus 16. Which set contains only the zeros of the function? Now, the zeros mean where's it crossing the x-axis. So all we need to do, here's a graph. If we graph this, it's going to come through. And we're just trying to find these two spots. Now, why do I know it's a parabola, a quadratic? Because it's an x squared. That always tells me it's going to have this parabola shape, the U shape. So I'm looking for those two spots. Right away, I can tell you it's only going to be two spots. I know that's out and I know that's out. It's not crossing. Those aren't zeros of the function. So it's going to be two of them. It's going to cross through two spots. So it's either going to be A or C. So what do we need to do? Let's go to Desmos. So I'm going to open up Desmos and I'm going to graph the equation. The equation, let's pull it up here. We had 9x squared minus 16. So I'm going to type 9. Let me get an x. Let me square it. And then it said minus 16. And here are my spots right here, a little after 1, negative 1, and then a little after 1. So they sort of look like they're exactly the same. That is at negative 1.3333. This is at 1.333. So it's at those spots. Now, if we look back at our options, it's going to be that, negative 4/3. And we can check. There's a couple of different ways that we could do, but we could just come in here and just type 4 divided by 3 and make sure that is the same if we were worried, which we should know that that's 1 1/3. But yes, we can see it is the exact same as what we have there as our points. Excuse me. So that question, pretty easy. We can see it is going to be choice A for that. The only thing that's different is they write it in function notation. It's the same as saying y equals 9x squared minus 16. So we know we should go to Virginia Desmos and graph that.